Right guys, this is where we are at on the VK. Both sides are now primed. Today I'm just going around all the edges, getting the bloody rest of the paint off of it. Fun job, this paint stripping. Burns like crazy when you get on your skin. So I'm just going to finish all this off, give it a bit of a wipe down, and then I'll hit it with the buzzer. Right, so I'm just going to buzz the whole roof down with this sanding disc, get all the heavy shit off, and I'll go back over with the feather edger. Alright, so I've just stripped all the paint off of that now. I'm going to leave the rest for today, and tomorrow I'll come back. There's all these little bits of pitted rust everywhere. I'll have to grind those out. A couple of dents to repair. So for tonight I'm just going to cover this up with some blankets and stuff, stop the moisture from getting on it, and I'll continue on.